So what is good, YouTube? Your boy Eardrum Assassin. Today we're going to be installing the booster plug in the 2020 ZX6R, and I'm going to show you how to do it. What is the booster plug? The booster plug is a brilliant and an affordable way to transform your motorcycle from okay to absolutely marvelous. No need to spend a small fortune on complicated multi-adjustable electronic devices plus endless dyno hours to make the bike run like it should have from the factory. The booster plug is installed in less than 10 minutes. It plugs directly into your bike's wire harness using original connectors, no cutting or splicing. A true plug-and-play solution that makes your bike so much better, improves softer throttle response, faster acceleration, remove the jerky low RPM running, stronger and more reliable idle, reduced puffing in the aftermarket exhaust on engine braking. The booster plug features a unique technology to provide your bike with a controlled fuel enrichment in all ambient temperature situations. No other plug-and-play device will do this. With the booster plug, you only get a richer mixture when you need it and low RPMs while accelerating. While you're steady speed on the open roads, the booster plug will sit idle to keep your fuel consumption low. Quite brilliant, actually. So that's pretty cool. So basically what the booster plug does is it tricks the motorcycle air intake temperature into thinking it's lower than what it is. Now, how we're gonna figure this out is I'm gonna pull the bike out, we're gonna run it, let it warm up, and we're gonna check the air intake temperature. The bike comes with a sensor already that you can check, and we're gonna check it before and after installation and see how much lower the air intake temperature actually is after it's installed, and see if it actually does that.
So the air intake is at 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The bike is at 162 degrees Fahrenheit. See how it's kind of got a hesitation in the idle? So we're at 82 degrees. So what we're going to do is shut the bike off, pull it in, and we'll get the booster pack hooked up.
So what we're gonna need to do is remove the tank. We don't even need to remove it. And we also don't need to take off any plastics. We can just pop them off. They just pop right off, just like this. Super easy, just like that. Each side does that. And when we do that, we can undo these two Allen bolts right here and the tank will flip up. So now that we have the gas tank propped up, this is the air intake sensor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug this, and the booster plug plugs into this. And then we need to route the sensor somewhere where it doesn't get affected by engine heat or radiator heat. So I'm gonna do that now, and we'll route the temperature sensor. So here we have the booster plug installed, plugged in. I have the wire running down, the sensor coming out onto the frame slider. It says put the sensor in a place where you're gonna get plenty of fresh, cool air. So that's what I did when I'm riding. That should be one of the coolest places that it gets air, plenty of airflow. And now what we're gonna do is just put the tank back on, button everything up, pull the bike out and see if the air intake temperature is actually lower than what it was before. So here we are, guys, outside. Let's start this baby up, see how she runs.
At 163 degrees Fahrenheit. Intake temp is at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This thing definitely works. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna set the phone down, go take a quick cruise, see how she runs, and I'll be back.
Well, YouTube, after going for a quick little blast on the ZX6R with the booster plug installed, I can tell you it's definitely got a better idle, has way better throttle response, and the air intake temperatures readings are literally half of what they were before. So in my opinion, does this product actually work? Hell yeah, it does. Totally worth the $160. Super easy to install. Even if you're not mechanically inclined, you can definitely install this yourself, save yourself some money. And yeah, I would suggest getting one of these over a Power Commander any day. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.